This video gives you an idea on how you can make your own little fairy house from pots that are left over around your home. This is an upside down pot. What I did was I just used the pattern that was already on it and thought that that would make a really good little bee house or a honey shop. So I painted it yellow and painted a little black door on it, and I put a little plastic white flower there as the door handle, and these are just artificial flowers that I've stuck on the front. And you can buy these little wooden bees from craft shops. They're very inexpensive and they're really cute, and you'll also find plenty of these little toadstools as well, or little mushrooms. And I've stuck that on. I've stuck them all on with a hot glue gun. This sign, I made that with 2 paddle pop sticks. I cut them and glued them together and used a hot glue gun to stick it to the front, and put some glue around the outside and sprinkled some sparkly things on it. And I found this cute little bee. He was only $1 from one of those discount shops. So I popped him on there with some hot glue and put some flowers behind him to help frame him. So that was pretty easy and it was a lot of fun to make. Later I'll show you a video of me putting together a witch's house for my Halloween themed fairy garden. Thanks for watching and enjoy the craft.